Good afternoon, my name's Peter. Welcome to the Creaform booth. What we do for the automotive and aerospace providers throughout the world is provide digitization tools for the fast acquisition of data for use in three-dimensional analysis for either reverse engineering or quality control. Whether in a manual, automated, or service context, we can serve you globally and provide accurate measurements in all manner of shop floor conditions. You need not be limited to the lab. If you'd like to learn more about Creaform, please visit us at www.creaform3d.com.